Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza veg, easy method. Start by preheating your oven and preparing a simple tomato sauce for even spread and bright flavor. Press or roll dough thinly, then add sauce, a light layer of cheese, and evenly distributed vegetables. Use high heat for a short time to crisp the crust while keeping toppings vibrant. Slice and serve hot for best texture and taste. Warm the dough slightly so it becomes flexible and easy to shape without tearing. Keep sauce simple. Crushed tomatoes, a little salt, and a pinch of sugar bring out natural sweetness without overpowering toppings. When assembling, leave a small rim of dough free of sauce to get a defined crust edge. A light brush of olive oil on the rim before baking creates a beautiful golden color and extra flavor. Choose toppings that cook at similar speeds to avoid undercooked or burnt pieces. Thin slices of peppers, mushrooms, and onions grill quickly and blend well with cheese. Consider layering stronger flavors like olives or sun-dried tomatoes sparingly so they don't dominate. Finish with fresh herbs or greens after baking to preserve their brightness. This approach keeps texture varied and ensures each bite has balanced flavor without soggy spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.